The Philippine Coast Guard believes that the latest survey result from the social weather stations, where more Filipinos are satisfied with the government's actions regarding the West Philippine Sea issue, are a result of its transparency initiative.
Ang pagtaas ng bilang ng mga kababayan nating Pilipino ng approval nila sa effort ng ating gobyerno is a result of our transparency efforts.
The survey conducted from June 23 to July 1 and commissioned by the think tank Strat-based ADR Institute involved 1,500 respondents. It showed that 60% of Filipinos said the government's action on the joint patrol and military exercises with allied countries are sufficient. Moreover, 72% expressed the opinion that the Philippines should seek more alliances with other countries to defend its right in the West Philippine Sea.
So we can say na effective ang transparency initiative natin. Although people are saying na hindi daw to effective as a solution to counter China. Pero from the very beginning naman, we have not said or claimed na this is a silver bullet sa problema natin ng West Philippine Sea. We go back sa objectives nito. And getting approval from majority of the Filipinos is a clear proof of its effectiveness.
The National Task Force West Philippine Sea NTF-WPS expresses gratitude for the results of the Social Weather Station survey. In an official statement, the NTF-WPS noted that while not all Filipinos may be aware in the West Philippine Sea issue, an increasing number recognize its importance for the long-term peace, security, and development of our country. The survey results also demonstrate Filipinos' appreciation for non-aggressive and de-escalatory approaches in addressing the country's issue in the West Philippine Sea. We asked some of our fellow countrymen whether or not they are satisfied with the government's action in the West Philippine Sea, and here are their responses.
Nagiging kontento kasi po para lang wag trigger nung kaguluhan kasi what I understand, we are not ready for a big war. So ang iniisip po ng gobyerno, parang tayo rin bilang mga magulang, wag natin suungin yung hindi natin inaakala dahil ang kaguluhan madaling pasukan. Yung kawawa yung mamamayang Pilipino na definitely tayo ang maaargabyado kung sakasakali.
Hindi man po ako nakukulangan pero po, siyempre po, masang-ayon pa rin po ako sa ginagawa ng gobyerno natin.
Sa madaling salita, hindi nakukulangan kayo sa ginagawa ng pamahalaan?
Opo.
Bakit?
Parang wala kasing action sa kanya kay President. Parang hindi siya gumagawa ng moves para matutukan yung nangyayari.
They also have a request for the upcoming State of the Nation address that they hope the President will mention.
Sana lang po ang maano niya, though impossible, na magkaroon sila ng mutual talagang yung China at saka Pilipinas, hindi yung kung sino-sino. Sana sabihin ng Pangulo natin na nagkasundo na sila ng China at titigilan na ng China na nagkaroon sila ng maayos na pag-uusap.
Sana po, mas bigyan niya pa ng 100% na suporta ang mga ating mangingisda. Siyempre po, susuportahan niya, bibigyan niya ng mas maraming benepisyo para sa mga mangingisda.
Ngayon, sa panahon ngayon, dahil nagkakagulo nga sila sa West Philippine Sea, para sa akin, siguro mas maganda na yung katulad niyang tutukan din ni President yung West Philippine Sea natin na kasi unang-unang naapektuhan yung mga taga-Palawan. Para sa akin lang, tutukan niya din, bigyan niya rin ng atensyon yung mga ibang mga problema doon.
Ryan Lacanlale, UNTV News and Rescue. We serve the people, we give glory to God.